Good morning, guys. We are in Chiayi, Taiwan, and this morning we are going on a street food tour. We're gonna try all kinds of different street foods, pop into some local hole-in-the-wall restaurants, and yeah, I'm nice and hungry, so let's go see what we can find. For our first street food today, and this is the dumpling, and it looks really good. So she fried up the batter and tons of green onions, like packed full of green onions, and it smells awesome. Once she was finished frying up the batter, she sort of cracked an egg and put that underneath all the batter. Yeah, this looks awesome. First I'm just gonna try it without the sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, really strong green onion flavor. Super hot and fresh. I think she put quite a bit of pepper, maybe some 5 spice. It's got a little bit of like a kick of pepper. And yeah, it's all about those green onions though. Crispy golden on the outside and super juicy on the inside. I'm gonna put some sauce on it this time. I think this is a sweet chili sauce. Put some on this piece here. Oh yeah. It's gonna kick it up a notch. That is so juicy. I think there's little bits of pork inside. Okay, let's try this out. Oh yeah, that is scalding hot, but really good. Those green onions are so good, and I think there's little bits of pork in there. Just look at the amount of green onions in there, and there is little bits of pork as well. This is so good and so juicy. Chase this all down with a nice cup of cold soy milk. Oh yeah. That's really smooth, good, a little bit sweet. This is a good start to the day. Okay, the owner just brought over another drink, and this is a peanut rice milk, and it is like really thick. You can just tell by the consistency this is gonna be like peanut butter, it looks like. Oh, wow. That is like creamy peanut butter, but also like really rich soy milk flavor. Nice and cold, super thick and hearty. Alright, that was an awesome danbing. This is a really popular spot here in Chiayi. Definitely come here, get a danbing, and get some soy milk. You won't be disappointed. We just walked down the street and we came across somebody selling candied sweet potato. So he just gave us a free sample. I already tried it out and it's really good. Have another bite here. Oh yeah, it's like really sweet and really hot and creamy on the inside, like mashed potato creamy. We're at our next street food here, and this is a baozi shop, and we're gonna order up a robao, which is just meat bun, steamed buns, and this is the boss, Lao Ban, and he is super friendly. They let us come back here and film them making all the different baozi, and yeah, it looks delicious. Okay, we've got our robao here, and they kind of hooked us up because they're super friendly here, so this is free, and yeah, I'm gonna break into this here. This feels nice and plump and juicy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at all the juice in there. Oh, look at that. Look at the juice there. That is so juicy. Okay, let's try this out here. Robao. Oh yeah, that's like a little bit salty and really juicy, like really juicy. There's a few green onions in there. Maybe some bamboo shoots as well. And the meat, there's quite a bit of meat in there, and it's nice and tender, juicy minced pork. Yeah, this is a really good robao. Oh yeah. So we've been eating a lot of food and not so much drink, so we just stopped at a tea shop and we're ordering up a grapefruit green tea. And we're right inside the tea shop here and they're making up the green tea behind us, cutting up 2 massive grapefruits. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna be good. Okay, just ordered up our grapefruit green tea, and yeah, just once again, Taiwanese people are just so friendly. So they made this all with fresh fruit, and yeah, try it out here. Oh yeah, lots of pulp. Look at all the pulp in there. And it's not too sweet, a little bit sour from the grapefruit, and also a little bit bitter. I really love grapefruit. Oh yeah, you can see down here, it's a plum. So it's pretty common in Taiwan that they will put a plum in the tea. Let's get some of this pulp here. Oh yeah, that's really good, nice and fresh. Let's keep going and see what else we can find. Oh yeah, this is the spot. Look at all these rice dumplings, there's so many. This is rojo, which is steamed rice dumplings, sticky rice dumplings. So they have all kinds of different kinds here. They have vegetarian, shujo, and meat, rojo. And yeah, these look really good. So we're gonna go inside and try them out. Okay, we're inside the factory here where they're making all the rojo. And yeah, this looks really cool. Let's go see how they're made. Inside the factory, and we're seeing how they're made, and lots of different ingredients go in. So there's different kinds, but pretty much the main ingredients is the sticky rice, and it's all wrapped up in a bamboo leaf. And they also use mushrooms and pork and peanuts, and also some of them have a duck egg inside. So these are looking really good, and this is such a cool atmosphere in here. They must produce a lot of these dumplings in one day. So I'm apparently getting recruited here to try to make the dumplings, and they were just telling us that this is almost like a dying tradition where the young people don't want to learn and only the old people want to do, because it's really hard work. So I'm gonna keep the tradition alive. Okay, we're sitting down to try to make this. I really don't know what I'm doing here. Okay? Okay. Meat. Okay. So rice goes in. Okay. Pork. Okay. Done. Egg. This is the egg. Meat. Okay. Rice. One. Okay. Okay. Kaohsiung. Peanuts. Sugar. Okay. No, I do not know how to do this part. Okay. I'm doing a very bad job of this. This is the boss. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for me. I'll let the professionals get back to work. Alright, that went pretty poorly. I cannot imagine making 1,000, or some of these people make 2,000 in one day. I think I could maybe get 10. But you need to really keep it tight, she said, because otherwise the rice will be too soft when you cook it, or some of the rice might fall out. So yeah, definitely takes quite a bit of time and effort to learn how to do this properly. Let's go try one out. Okay, there's some different condiments you can add to the dumpling, so I'm gonna get some here. The first one is the chili oil. Yeah, chili oil. A little bit of that, a little bit more oil, and then cut down here. And also over here, we've got peanut powder. This was recommended. Apparently this is good with it, so get a little bit of that. Okay, let's take these over to the table. Okay, sitting down for these rice dumplings, and they're hot and fresh. So we were just told that traditionally, back in the day, the farmers, when they were stopping for their lunch break, they would generally eat it without chopsticks. So you just open it up like this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna try this out, and you can already smell this bamboo leaf, like the fragrance and the aroma from the bamboo leaf is incredible. So try this out, no sauce this time. Oh wow. You can see those peanuts are like, they're steamed peanuts, so they're a little crunchy, and there's a nice piece of pork in there, but really like all the essence is coming from this bamboo leaf. It gives it such a nice smell. This rice is just really sticky, like glutinous. It's almost like translucent to look at. Okay, so we just tried it the traditional way, which is eating out of the bamboo leaf, but now recently this is more how they eat the food, and that is by putting it on the plate and covering it with the sauce. This is a house-made sauce. There's soybean and water and garlic and a little bit of sugar, she said. So, oh yeah, look at that. Get a nice big bite for my first try here. And I think big piece of pork in there. Oh yeah, this might be too big. I'm gonna bite it in half. Those peanuts. It's all about those peanuts, and this rice is so like creamy rice. It's really, really like glutinous, and it's not like individual grains of rice. It's almost like a big blob of rice. And those peanuts are nice and steamed and give it a nice flavor. So now I'm gonna try it out. Dip it in a little bit of this chili sauce here. Dip it in the chili sauce, and then maybe a little bit of peanuts too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it smells spicy. Oh, those added peanuts make it really good. The chili is quite spicy. It has a nice like roast flavor. But again, it's all about this rice and these peanuts. Oh yeah, this is an awesome rice dumpling. These rice dumplings are so good, and now we have one. It's like a sweet rice dumpling filled with red bean paste. And she said that it's made with a different type of rice. It's a smaller, rounder grain of rice, so it gives us like incredible texture. Just check this out. Look at how jiggly that is. That is so jiggly. That's amazing. And you can see it's quite translucent, so you can see inside the red bean in there. And yeah, I'm gonna break this open right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's like a red bean paste inside. Look at that. Oh. Oh yeah, I gotta try this out. Okay, take this piece. Okay, try this one out with red bean. Oh. I didn't even know, but it's served like quite cold. That red bean paste is super creamy and like a little, almost like a little nutty. And the rice is not even similar to the other rice at all. It is really like gooey, like even more gooey than the last one. It's almost like a jelly. You can eat it by itself, and then also it's served with some liquid sugar here. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of that on, not too much. Okay. Try that out with the extra sweetness from that sugar. Oh yeah, look at how goopy this is. It's just dripping with this liquid sugar now. Look at it, barely just kind of cradles on these chopsticks because it's so creamy and gooey. Let's try this out. That sweet, sweet liquid sugar really gives it a heavy sweetness. It's already sweet by itself, but that is really quite sweet actually. It's really like a goopy, goopy dessert. It's not quite like mochi because I wouldn't say it's chewy. It's actually just really smooth. It slides down your throat. This is the big vat that they're boiling all the roto in, and he's gonna open it up and let us check it out. Okay, they're taking all the rice dumplings out. This is the massive vat, like it's huge, big boiling pot that they boil all the dumplings in, and just check out those dumplings.
Okay, once again, people in Taiwan are so friendly. We just finished, and this restaurant is called Fuyan Rojo, and they gave us a massive 2 boxes of the rojo, so awesome. Let's go see what else we can find. This might be our last stop today. We're getting pretty full, but this is yang mian, and it's cold noodles, Taiwanese style, so let's go check it out. Okay, we've got our cold noodles here, Taiwanese cold noodles, and I think this is a plate that you definitely need to mix up. Oh yeah. Look at all this creamy sauce. There's cucumbers and lots of sauce, and then that sesame paste, and yeah, I can feel these are gonna be good noodles. Oh, it smells nutty like sesame paste. Oh, that's really nice. It is almost like a peanut nutty with like a really strong sesame flavor, and then the cucumbers are really crisp. And then the white sauce is like almost tastes like a salad dressing. And yeah, it's not too salty, and the cold is actually really nice. Nice and chewy. Those noodles are nice and flat. Okay, so we've actually ordered up 2 different kinds. They're pretty much the exact same, except they have different noodles. These are like a round noodles, and this time I'm going to add some of the chili oil that's on the table here. Oh yeah, that looks like a good chili oil. And also there's some garlic. Put a big scoop of that on. A little bit more. And then also some garlic water. Maybe some ginger in there too, I'm not sure. Okay, mix that up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Those chilies are gonna be good. Oh yeah, you can already smell the chilies. With those chilies, it gives it like a nice roasted kind of smoky flavor. But really my favorite part is the sesame paste. It has like a really nutty aroma. And yeah, this is nice. Let's try that out again. Everything is just kind of smothered in this tangy salad dressing and this sweet sesame paste. That's it for today's food adventure, and oh, we ate so many good things, and I had a great time making those dumplings, and people are so friendly here in Taiwan. It's amazing. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up and leave me any comments below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time.